So, it's still Independence Day here in Mexico. Today, our workers actually came out today. They chose to do that because they're being paid a flat fee for everything. But our painter did our laundry door, like I told you earlier. Not quite done with the trim, but he'll probably finish that tomorrow. And then he'll move on to our bedroom door. And that'll be the last thing for him to paint, I believe. So they did that. They did have a short day, by the way. They left around 2 to go party with their family. It's just like the 4th of July in the US here. We did have our power outage, as I talked about earlier, and we had no power for about 12 hours. In the middle of the night, and came on around 1:30 in the afternoon. They didn't need do any power tools or anything, but they started laying down the Crema stone. This is going to be all around the edge, and you can see the bar stools started taking shape. Still need to finish that. Is that it for today? They're going to come back tomorrow, Saturday, and they even said they want to work on Sunday, which is they've never done. No one works on Sunday, but they want to do that because they want to, once they get the shakum finish on the pool done. This is just cement, but once they shakum the whole thing, they got to stick the stonework around the edge first. But once they shakum the whole thing, they're basically done, and so they're looking at finishing as quickly as they can, depending on the rain. We did have predicted rain actually today, an hour ago, and it didn't happen. Weather predictions here in Mexico are not very accurate. There's no local radar, and so we have to look at satellite images and guess. So who knows? Sometimes they're fairly accurate, but and most of the time they're not. That's it from here. If you liked the video, please hit like. You got a question about doing a renovation in Mexico, especially on the beach, leave a comment. And leave a comment if you're just enjoying these videos and everything. And make sure you subscribe to the channel, and you'll see more videos like this. And hit that bell notification so you get notified when they come out. And I'm gonna sit on my palapa here and enjoy my view. See you guys next time. Bye.